Hey, what's up, everyone? Hey, this is something I've been working on for about a week now. I'm just not getting it finished. This is our recurring accounts. I got them on an Excel spreadsheet. It makes it easier for myself, and possibly could be easier for some others as well. Basically, I got them in. I got them listed, by their name. Then I have them listed as far as industry. If it's a retail store, office, bar, kitchen, school, whatever it is, usually the estimated time it usually takes a person, to do it, to clean it, who I have it jobbed out to, if it's a subcontractor, or an employee, what we paying out per day. Sometimes we have accounts that someone can't show up or something. So I need to know how much we can afford to pay per day, as far as a cap price. Let's see here. Also, what our subcontractors pay out, what they might pay, and then how much the business takes in a month. These are some numbers that we need to know, that I might need to know really, really quickly and fast. And this app, of course, it's on the desktop, but it also can be used on my phone as well, and can be printed to be a spreadsheet as well. I hope this helps, and I hope this helps future-proof your business and for its growth and scale.